The fold brush creates a folding edge, creating a rolling wave as you stroke. Your Z intensity controls the roll distance of your stroke. Temporarily disable your tablet pressure to create consistent strokes with the fold brush. Enable Sculptris Pro for dynamic resolution and reduce stretching. You can apply an alpha to add texture to your folded stroke. Open the stroke menu and expand the modifiers tab. Disable the roll feature, removing gaps in your texture. Try adjusting the depth to change the look of your folded stroke.